The term penny university refers to the rich intellectual environment found in coffee houses during the 17th and 18th centuries, particularly in England. For the price of a single cup of coffee, just a penny, patrons could access a wealth of conversation, knowledge, and ideas, making these establishments the hubs of intellectual and cultural exchange during the Age of Enlightenment. The birth of the penny university. The concept of the penny university emerged with the rise of coffee houses in Europe, particularly in London. When coffee was introduced to England in the 1600s, it quickly became popular, not only as a drink but also as a catalyst for social interaction. Coffee houses were open to everyone, from scholars and poets to merchants and common folk, creating spaces where individuals from various walks of life could come together to discuss, debate, and share ideas. The price of a cup of coffee was modest, just a penny, making it affordable for almost anyone. This democratization of knowledge meant that a wide range of people, regardless of their social class, could engage in the exchange of ideas. As a result, coffee houses earned the nickname penny universities because of the intellectual stimulation they provided, similar to that of a formal university but without the barriers of education or class. Avenues for intellectual exchange in these coffee houses. Discussions were not limited to light banter. Patrons would debate philosophical questions, exchange scientific discoveries, discuss political developments, and even explore economic theories. For example, political and social reforms. Many early political movements and ideas, including the push for parliamentary reform, found their origins in coffeehouse conversations. In London, coffeehouses such as Jonathan's Coffee House became places where people could discuss the latest political news and even organize movements for change. Scientific discoveries. Coffeehouses were also centers for scientific exchange. Some of the greatest minds of the time, including Isaac Newton and Robert Hooke, frequented coffeehouses to discuss their work. These gatherings contributed to the rapid spread of new scientific ideas during the scientific revolution. Philosophy and literature. Writers and thinkers such as John Locke and Samuel Pepys were regular coffeehouse patrons. Their interactions with others in these spaces helped shape modern philosophy, literature, and political thought. Coffeehouses were also known for fostering creativity, making them crucial to the growth of literary movements like the early Enlightenment. Socializing and networking. Beyond the intellectual discussions, coffeehouses provided opportunities for socializing and networking. For merchants and traders, coffeehouses were often places to seal business deals, exchange news from distant lands, and discuss market trends. Some coffeehouses even evolved into specialized spaces for specific professions, such as the insurance industry at Lloyd's Coffee House, which later became the famous Lloyd's of London. Legacy of the penny universities. The legacy of the penny university is profound. Many of the great intellectual and political movements of the time were born in coffeehouses, and the idea of using coffeehouses as spaces for the exchange of ideas and debate continued to thrive into modern times. Today, coffeehouses still serve as informal meeting spots for people to gather, work, discuss, and build connections. The enduring influence. While coffeehouses have evolved, their role as spaces for connection and intellectual exchange has remained central. The penny university may no longer exist in its original form, but the spirit of these lively, open spaces continues to shape how we socialize, collaborate, and share ideas in today's world.